Hi everybody, long time no see, isn't it? I like to go on walks while I collect my thoughts, and here's my thoughts. So it's 8 a.m. on a Saturday. I always try to avoid social media on the weekends because it gives me this fear that I'm missing out. I guess I can't always like live to see if I regret not doing certain things. It's not like a way to live. It just feels like we're doing like so much for so little. I feel like I'm asking some rich person for like a crumb, a morsel of like any sort of financial sustenance to support my art. I feel like I'm making more works now that target sort of the shorter attention span, mainly because I have a shorter attention span. So I saw this artist out of St. Louis, Rachel Yoon, do these installations that repurpose massage machines that rotate these fake plants along with music. Is there a way I can incorporate something similar to that, but also add an interactive element? So what if I'm able to use sound sensors to make the plants sort of dance to the beat of like what, techno music? I think Jimmy had this little toy plant back in the 90s that would react to sound.
$9.99. Would you like to add it to your cart?
Wait, what did you say?
What'd You Say by Jason Derulo on Amazon.
No!
Oh my god, I hate you so much, Alexa.
The setup is pretty simple. I have a sensor that detects a specific threshold of sound, which sends that data to a microcontroller. It's powered by a 6-volt DC battery. That data from the microcontroller is then sent to the servo motor, which is triggered on 2 states, a 1 or 2. These 2 states specify specific angles at which the servo motor is programmed to go left or right, which makes the plant sway back and forth as if it's dancing. I started out by modeling and 3D printing a bracket for the servo motor, while gathering much needed supplies like battery holders, Arduino Every microcontrollers, batteries, hardware screws, sound sensors, plastic boxes, servo motors. The item list, schematics, and code will be in the video description. So with the initial plant prototype, there were a few problems. So the wire part of the frond that kind of attaches to the servo motor was starting to come off after a few tests. And that will make the plant sort of wobble like incoherently instead of in a unified direction. I did fix that by adding hot glue to kind of reinforce the plant near the bottom. So the plan was to make 4 plants, but one of them I just couldn't get to work. I checked the wires, I resoldered everything, and after a few hours I realized it was the motor. The motor they sent me out of box just didn't work. It was able to zero okay, so I know there was some movement in there, but it would just not take any digital instructions. So I ordered a new motor, and now I actually have 4 working like plants. All right, so I figured there'd be some common questions. For one, why palms? Palms are aesthetically pleasing. The fronds of a palm cover sort of a wide area, so it's really easy to see as if it's dancing. Another question, why techno? Techno, is it really, I like techno. Just techno is like over the top. Sometimes it just feels like it's over the top dancey. So one of the key benefits to the plants being battery powered is that you can pretty much stick them anywhere. You can put them on a counter or on a table, or you can have an illegal plant rave on a street corner. If you do end up making an illegal plant rave on a street corner, please send me a video. I would love to react to that. got a haircut today, so that's kind of cool. I woke up and I was like, I need a haircut. And then I had a panic attack. That was fun. While I don't know exactly where I've been wanting to go with this project, I am working on myself and my health and my mental health and my physical health more. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared for my future sometimes. But this project was really fun because it allowed me to kind of show my intersection of art and technology while also providing some sort of whimsical plant that just dances back and forth. And I like that. I like making things that interest me in this world of a short attention spans and attention economy. So that's it. It is what it is. If you like this video too, please like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. I have ideas for other projects too. So anyway, peace. Have a good one. Good night. Good luck.